Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24, S22 and the S25 Ultra. So to check that update, you will have to simply go into your settings, and after tapping on settings, you have to swipe all the way to the down. From here, you have to tap on software update. And from here, you have to tap on download and install, and you will get to see that a new March security patch update will be available to download. So you will have to simply download that update and tap on this install now option to complete the update. On all these devices, the update size might vary, as on the S24 Ultra, the update size is of 433 MBs. And once the update is downloaded, tap on install now to complete the installation process. I have already downloaded this update on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you can see, it is on the latest March 1st, 2025 security patch. A similar update was also available on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you are a Galaxy S25 Ultra user, you can check for this update by simply going into your settings, and after going in settings, tap on software update. Then you have to tap on download and install, and you will get to see that new March 1st 2025 security patch update will be available. And on the S25 Ultra, the update size is of 586 MBs in size. You have to download and install this update on S25 Ultra as well. A similar update will be also available on the S23 Ultra. The update size might vary, but it will be of the March 1st 2025 security patch. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about this update available on the flagship models. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.